In this series of videos, I attempt to take on the challenge of hiking the Bob Graham Round that takes on 42 Lake District summits with over 8,200 metres of ascent. In this video, I hike leg 2 of the Bob Graham Round, starting with a steep climb up to Clough Head and finishing near Dunmail Raise via 12 Wainwright summits including Great Dodd, Helvellyn and Fairfield. Having failed to complete this tough fell walking route several times before, join me to see how I get on this time.
Morning people, it's frost on the 10th, it was a cold night. Up early, it's about 5:45 now, sun rises in a bit. I'll have a brew, pack up, so catch you in a bit. Finally packed up, it's a beautiful morning, Blencathra there, a bit of cloud, Skiddaw, clear. Clough Head, let's get up there. Steep path, let's get moving, another long day ahead. I think I'm aiming for Sandal today, maybe a bit further, I don't know. Fell, literally no idea. My boots were all frozen this morning, it's really tough trying to get them on. I think they're thawing out now. Toes are cold though. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. Blue skies. Just hope that wind drops. It'll be a long day in the wind. Whew, I'm looking forward to that. That was a bit much for first thing in the morning, but never mind, I've done it. Oh, it's good to be in the sun. My feet are like blocks of ice. I thought that would have thawed them out a bit, but no. I think Clough Head cairn is just over this ridge here. Clough Head, done. Bob Graham number 4. Great Dodd over there. It's the next target. Make some good progress here. Feel like Great Dodd. And then the rest of the Helvellyn range. Easy going, apart from the wind. The wind is going to be a problem today, all the way along this Helvellyn ridge. Great Dodd, done. Oh, it's windy. Let's get off this.
As predicted, all the way along the Dodds and the Helvellyn range of hills, I was heading into a strong wind, and a bitter freezing wind at that. My face was beginning to freeze, and talking to the camera was difficult.
Snipe Barrow Dodds up there somewhere. Snipe Barrow Dodd. An easy one to miss.
On the plus side, the sky was clear, providing good views over towards the central and western fells, showing most of the route I'd be hiking over the next few days. This could be daunting, but I kept focused on the section at hand and pushed on, getting closer to Helvellyn.
It's a bit less windy down here. That was terrible up there. Oh, my face is frozen. We're going up Raise now. All's water there. a bit sheltered here. Come around the corner to right side. Right side, done. Approaching Lowman now. Some massive gusts and almost blew me over. Still a way to go actually. That's a full summit. Oh, it's a tough day today. Lowman done. That was hard work. It's not quite as windy up here. Cat's eye cam there, or Cat's cam, however you want to pronounce it. That's Squirrel Edge, leading up to Helvellyn. Had a short break there, a few protein bars, ravenous. No pork pies today. That's a shame. Oh, I could eat a pork pie now. Right, let's get up to Helvellyn. Helvellyn done.
Or is this Helvellyn's true summit? Let me know in the comments. Striding edge there, a little detour off the route.
Pike done. It's a dolly wagon pike. St Sunday's Crag there. Great views today. You just have to take this Bob Graham round challenge one fell at a time, otherwise you just get overwhelmed. It's just too many, especially when you see them all like that. work my way down here now. It just snakes down. I do need some more water, but I'm going to get that. Also being up Fairfield, I still can't believe I'm going to go up there because it looks absolutely mental. Okay, so as we get closer to Fairfield and Clough Pike, it doesn't look too bad. He says. Right, I'm going to stash my rucksack up here. Let's do this, people. Fairfield by Clough Pike. So yeah, that cairn there, that marks the ascent to Clough Pike. I walked straight past it. This is slightly different to the fell running route. It's a bit easier. The fell runners are hardcore. Okay, this path has taken me quite a long way in the opposite direction, but I think I'm nearly at the end of it. It takes you up to a path, another path on the ridge called Deepdale House. I'm going to do a right to Clough Pike. Bit of a breather. It's not too bad actually. Just wind your way up to the top of Clough Pike. Yeah, so that there is the fell runners route. I'm going to go down that way. Looks like a proper path. Fairfield. Done. I'll go for that. You know what, there are easier routes up here. I don't know why they send you that way. Clough Pike. It's getting on for 3 o'clock now, so it's about an hour to get up here. I'm going down this way, the fell running route. Yay, made it. Up and down Fairfield. It's brought me right back where my rucksack is. Would you Adam and Eve it? So if you want to go up the fell running route to Fairfield, that's the way to go. Just near those stepping stones you walk along, past these rocks. It's just up there. Right, seat Sandal. Walking along the side of Grisdale Tarn again. I feel like I've been here all day. Fairfield is a time sink. I think I was actually up and down it in getting on for 2 hours, but there was all the faffing around beforehand, getting water and all that kind of stuff. Okay, this is the route up Seat Sandal. I am just gonna set up camp up here. Try and find a decent pitch and hopefully relax tonight, get some sleep. Doubt it. But yeah, it's just like this. It's just this all the way up. A bit craggy at the top. I don't think it'll take me too long. 45 minutes maybe. Slippy. Slidey. Just what you need when you've walked up Fairfield and Clough Pike and Helvellyn. I've done 12 fells today when I do this one. So what's that, we're on 16 I think. Oh no, 15. I only did 3 on the first day. 15 fells. Grasmere down there, Grasmere Lake and the village. Looks very close, but it's not. Is this it? I think it is. I'll just do it. See Sandal, I'm done. Right, let's find a place to pitch. It's a little bit blowy up here now. Let's push on a little bit. Probably go down the other side, I think. The wind's coming from behind me, so if I go down there, should be okay. Lovely evening. Very hazy though. They look great. Look at the mountains. Oh, the silhouette.
I eventually found a sheltered and flat enough spot to pitch the tent and had a relaxing evening watching the sun set behind the western fells. Join me for leg 3, where I'm rewarded for my efforts with more great summit views, but have the inevitable rush to find a spot to pitch up for the night before it goes dark. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.